Hi, Mike's Carburetor Parts here. I want to show you what it takes to replace an RBS with one of our N1904 universal carburetors. What makes these universal is they have an adjustable jet on them, and there are good instructions in the box that tell you how to adjust that. You adjust it to your engine, so they'll work smoothly. And as you can see, they're about the same height, so height is not going to be a problem, which is a big deal because that's why these were made like they were, because they needed the room. And the mounts on them, they'll mount just fine. Don't worry about all these cutouts here. The vacuum you need here is going to be fed from inside the bore here, so this gasket that comes with it will be just fine. And the next thing to look at is the throttle here, and this little lever here on the throttle is adjustable 360 degrees, so you just loosen that nut, turn it down over to here, and it will match this one here. And there's a little ball stud in the kit that comes with the carburetor that you mount on here, so that'll be pretty easy. The choke, now that could be a problem. These come normally with an automatic choke or hot air choke, and this one actually has been modified to be manual. But at any rate, if yours is hot air, then if you want to replace it with this, you're going to have to turn it into a manual choke. And this is the manual choke lever right here, and you simply find a choke cable that mounts on your dash inside and run the cable out to here so that you can operate the choke manually. Let's see, you have a vacuum line here that goes to the distributor. That's replaced with this hole here. And what you do here is this comes in two pieces like this, and you put it in here, and when you tighten it down, it tightens this up, kind of crunches on it so that you can use it as a vacuum line. Now I have to chase these out because they've got a little bit too much, I don't know, paint or whatever it is, and these don't go in as good as they should. So I tap it with a 3/8 by 24 threads per inch tap. Just chase the threads and you'll be good to go there. The other thing is, on this one, the RBS feeds the fuel from the end here, and this one here is on the side, so you'll have to reroute your fuel line. And you can see it's looks like the same size hole on it, so you would fit it right into here. The other thing you can do is find yourself a barb fitting to put in here and run a hose to it. And I will actually try and figure out if we happen to have such a thing that size, in case somebody needs it. Put that plug back in there. Alright, so this carburetor comes with a fuel filter. Be sure to put it on or you avoid your warranty. And let's see, I think that's all you need to know on this. There's really nothing else to hook up, but this would be a good replacement for this RBS. The RBSs are kind of a pain to rebuild, for one thing. Any rate, that's just another option. So there you go. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching.